Hi, welcome to JWR Academy. In this video, we are discussing the most difficult question in order of operation. So here we simplify this question in easily just 2 seconds or 4 seconds. So if first we simplify the numerator, okay, and in numerator also check the which two options are uses, multiplication or multiplication or division. So here we use the two multiplication and division. So first of all we simplify the division. Okay, 4 divided 2 is 2. 4 divided 2 is 2, multiply 3, then multiply 3, okay, and divide by 3. So here also now we simplify the 2 multiply 3 is 6 and divide 3. So and the last 6 divide 3 is equal to 2. So 2 is the right answer. And now we solve the another example. 4 multiply 3 divide 6, okay, and divide by 2. So here which we solve first division. 3 divide 6. So 3 divide 6 is 3 divide 6. So 3 divide 6. It means 3 inside the symbol of division and 6 outside. So here 3 is less and 6 is greater. So we need a 0 and here we need a point. So 6 5 times, okay, and 30 0. So here division 3 divide 6 answer is 3 divide 6 answer is 0.5, okay, and multiply by 4. Now divide by 2, okay. So here answer is 4 multiply 0.5 divided by 2. So here answer is 0. So how 0? And we check this answer is right or wrong. So we use the calculator directly. Okay, 4 multiply 3 divide 6 and divide by 2. So here answer is 1. So maybe we get the mistake. So here we got the mistake because this mistake is currently we doing here, because here only two operation included, multiplication and division. So when multiplication and division only used in question, so we use solve from left to right, okay, from left to right. So first we solve 4 multiply 3 is 12. 4 multiply 3 is 12. Divide 6. Okay, and divide 2. Then 6 divide 2. 2 divide 2 is equal to 1. So this is the right answer. 1 is right answer. If you like this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for next interesting video.